أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الحمد لله رب العالمين والصلوات على محمد وعلى أهل بيته الطاهرين الطيبين المعصومين.
اللهم صل على محمد وآل محمد.
By the name of the Chinji Bosa Zakaria, President Sabah Islamic Dawah Group, I take this opportunity to thank Allah for this good month of Ramadan. At the same time, I take the same opportunity to thank our supporters and sponsors from all over the world, but most especially I take this opportunity to convey my gratitude to our friends from Turkey and London, who were led by Brother Rajab, that sent to us clothes that are for needy children and the elderly people, and we were instructed to distribute those clothes in this holy month of Ramadan. Here are the clothes. I have handed them in to my Vice President, Sheikh Hassan Mayambala, to go and distribute them to the needy people, both elderly and young children that are found in one orphanage school called the Harat Orphanage Center, found at Navsanke in Masaka district. Today, that consignment is going to be distributed to the children. We pray that they get the best benefit out of this gift from our brothers from Turkey, and we pray that Allah reward the best to our brothers who have decided to give these gifts to our needy children and elderly people. Thank you, Brother Rajab. Thank you, everyone that participated in collecting these gifts of clothes. May Allah ever reward you with the best.